Oh, hello to my loyal 13 subscribers. I'm back at it again with another video. So I know it's been a while since I've been on, but I've just been busy with life and curricular activities. But I'm back and this will be an exciting video. It's a Kyrie Irving unboxing from Dhgate, as well as a Lebron James jersey review, which I also bought from Dhgate. It's already unboxed, but I haven't left it out of the plastic yet. Like, I haven't taken out the plastic yet, so it's basically the same. Let's get into it, all right? All right, here we go. This is the Kyrie Irving jersey that I've previously mentioned. See, the Dhgate jerseys always come in this nice little plastic, even a nice little unzip, maybe, unzip sleeve, why not? Here we go. Kyrie Irving jersey, Boston Celtics. So the thing is, this took me like 2 weeks to get, which is really good for Dhgate. If you want the seller, I can totally link him below. Let's look at it close up. Here's let's look at the stitching. Here's the GE, right? Okay, nice and nicely stitched. Comes with nice tags. You know, I love the tags. It just shows the effort made in this jersey. And I'm not saying it's real or fake because I don't support illegal businesses. However, I'm just saying it's a cheap jersey. I got it for say $13, give or take a slice. So that's just how it be. Let's look at the back. Looking nice, NBA logo stitched. It's all stitched. It's good stuff. You can even see the jersey number. It's really nice. It's like the real one with the like the little dots. So it's good stuff right there. The inside, I'm not gonna lie, this is just how most jerseys be. The stitching looks a little whack attack on the inside. Like, you see that? But that's okay. It really is okay, because if you're just wearing it out, I'm sure you'll get rave reviews. No one's gonna look at the inside, they're just gonna see how you're rocking it from the outside. So like I said, this was $13 from Dhgate, give or take. It took around 2 weeks, give or take. I honestly, probably exactly 2 weeks, I'd say though. Really impressed with this jersey. I'm gonna give you a look-see of it on me in a bit, and then I'll review a LeBron James jersey, which I also bought from Dhgate. So this is the size large Kyrie jersey on my body. I'm about 6'5", so you can see how it looks. It looks good on the body, I'd say. It's really nice. It's a good tight fit and feel. It's really like the good stuff. So it's a nice little on-body look for you of the Kyrie jersey. That's been the moment we've all been waiting for. The LeBron James jersey, the Lakers edition, of course. This is actually the 2018-19 Swingman LeBron James jersey. Now, this one, to be completely honest, took a little bit longer. I'd say 4 weeks. But it's because I ordered it right when the jerseys, like literally the day these like jerseys came out, I ordered it. So I'm sure it took a little bit to make. But here we go. Let's first look at this stitched little Wish logo. It's high quality. I mean, you can see a little thread mistake right there. There's nothing to be ashamed of. You see, it's all good stitching, I'd say. It's really nice. I mean, the NBA logo is not terrible. Like I said, $13. This coloring, maybe, I don't know if you want to really go that picky, but like I said, there's always these nice tags. And this is actually from a different seller. Most sellers come with a very similar things, so it makes me question, are they all different sellers, or do they have different names for the same seller? I don't know. I'm not the owner of Dhgate. All I know is this is a pretty nice LeBron James jersey for the $13 price point. You can always find jerseys on Dhgate for around $13 if you try your hardest. I'm telling you that right now. Honestly, it's good. Smells nice. Hey, let me smell the Kyrie jersey too, just in case. Smells good. I'm gonna give you a look-see at the LeBron jersey on my body right now, just to see how it fits. By the way, both of the jerseys that I have reviewed right now are larges, just from sizing purposes. That was a close one. You guys almost saw a little too much there, but here's the LeBron jersey on me. I'll give it a quick spin around. It's really nice. There it is. You know what I'm saying? It fits nice on a guy like me, 6'5". Here, I'll give you a nice little look of how this fits. That's really nice. Good large. They don't really run small on the Dhgate. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Alright guys, that's my video. I really hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. Basically, if you're besides the 13 subscribers right now, you're not subscribed. It'd mean a lot to my heart if you did. I can always post good content for you. And if you want a jersey or anything from DHK Reviewed, I will buy it as long as it's in my price point range, alright? Let me know, like, subscribe, comment. You're not gonna do any of those things, so I would ask. I'm out.